of course, in this safety assessment, coordinated European approach extremely important. And one important thing I would like to underline, whatever we will do, our safety standards and responsibility for safety cannot be deteriorated or should not be deteriorated. Now, second issue, economic consequences. You know that I have the task to lead a group of commissioners and to make proposals how should we deal with the consequences. And data collection has already started. What do we know? What is the opinion of the industry today and what do we know about the situation? The assessment is that the consequence of closure, consequences of this unprecedented event, the impact extends the 9/11 impact. Airlines are not ready today to assess the losses. And they say that the most important thing is to resume the flight.